ridiculous. All of life is so ridiculous. I met George Murchison in person, like, today. He was being all snooty about being to New York. It's not nothing special. I've been there. Then I says to my baby Ruth, I said, dance with me. And she said, no. Drunk. Ooh, I'm drunk. I was like, don't talk about Lena that way. Except she would say it, so it doesn't even matter. After I got the news, and I got myself drunk, to lighten the mood when I got some. So, I got some. And Beneath be dancing all over the place. And so I comes in, and I says to her, sister, I like to dance. So I danced with her. And I sang with her. And I was a good brother. I like this button, it's a shiny button. But I have to say this for George Murchison. He knows how to sweet talk my wife. But that won't get you very far in life, Sir George. Because beneath my wife's burning like nothing. Ooh, yes! That's what I'm talking about, Beneath, because she's still dancing. George is. No, she's not. She's not dancing, it's quiet. I thought that she was doing it, so she left with George. He called her pretty and then left. He said he liked her natural hair. She took out her hair. He's like, he likes it better with it all cut off. She would prefer Joseph, though. We all know it. Sorry, George. She should be with George, though. We need that money. We need it so bad. I like George. I think she should be with George. He's a bit snooty, though. But George, he's an alright guy. He really is. What time do we have on this thing, man? 3:46, 7, 48, 49, D3. What was for? Oh, oh, sorry, Beneath his camera. Almost like, I think it's 4 minutes now. 4 sounds like a good number, Just alright, I think this is. Wait.